brazen daylight heist captured on CCTV, two hooded thieves expertly steal a parked motorbike within seconds. The footage reveals one suspect forcefully holding the bike, while the other quickly dismantles the security measures, demonstrating their alarming efficiency.
Have you got the registration number of this one here? You can't see it. Have you got the back that way? Yeah.
Grinder resistant D-locks. The hip lock DX1000 currently has the best resistance to diamond disc attacks. Now, I'd never normally show a lock test in full. When I'm cutting locks for testing, I'm in ideal conditions. I can lean on things, I can have multiple attempts. And sometimes if you show it, it can seem like it's a bit fast. It can be surprisingly quick to cut a lock if you're doing everything perfectly right and you've got charged batteries or mains grinder, fresh discs. But this one took so long with a diamond disc. I was really surprised by it.
I don't know how well you can pick it up on camera. We're not even quarter of the way through. I've come at it at a couple of angles. That angle, this angle, straight down. And yeah, we're going to keep going.
Ooh, that's impressive.
So he decides to pull out the big gun and handheld bandsaw.
I can feel the heat off it.
Time out, my pants are falling down.
But
we're still not even halfway through.
It really dulls the blade.
It just wasted those teeth. I'm like barely halfway through this thing.
Then he tries a Sawzall, and that doesn't work. And after a few batteries and a stack of grinding discs,
This thing can't be overheating that fast. There's no way. More discs.
He still can't get the thing off.
I've never seen anything like this. It's nuts. I'm running out of tools.